Alright, first spot, we didn't find no full arrowheads at all. Found a piece of whiskey bottle. Found some flakes, some chips of an arrowhead where they were making them. Some petrified wood. We got about 3 more spots we're gonna go try. Maybe we'll find one.
Take a video of it.
I am.
Okay. That's how you do all of them. This guy's says overheat. Thanks for work. Yeah. Good old mercury. About half of everything they make is standard. The other half of it's metric. Go get the hammer. Put a bolt back in so when it does come off, we don't drop it on the ground. That's what's stuck. It did not want to give that up. Already got pieces sticking out. And this is why you change your water pump once a year. Grease on there for next time. Might be back in 2028. Change it again. That thing's full of trash. Now what we do is hope it goes back on easier than it came off. It didn't come off very easy. Always start all your bolts by hand before you tighten them up, or you'll be taking them loose again. Get a shot of that truck. Sounds good. had to think about an uglier color scheme. It's about the ugliest truck I ever seen in my life.
Got it painted Ukraine colors.
Must have got that paint free. Looks like a handicap blue and yellow line yellow.
We fixed some connections on his battery charger the other day. He had a battery that was dead that day. We're just trying to figure out if it took a charge or not. Charger shows it's good. That's our two batteries. It was this side. Battery right there. Yep, came back. He's ready to fish. We're gonna hop out here. We're gonna raise this boat up. We got some weather coming this weekend. The tide's coming up. Don't think we're gonna buy the water. The line is slow. Earl's boat's caught fire a few times this year. Got to the bottom of that problem. We put him a Raptor on it. Wish they had a fast forward button on these lifts. One of these is the switch for your wash down. So I don't
Right here.
this back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We got power at the switch.
Let's see if we got power at the pump. Found your problem, Mr. Earl. It's the same wash down pump they used on the Mayflower.
Hey, be easy on it. This lasted for 8 years. What are you trying to say?
Yeah, it looks pretty rough.
I generally have to watch it about 6 times and then watch about 3 or 4 different people's version of what's right.
It's understanding.
Then I figure it out, then screw it up, they fall somewhere.
That'll work. All right, you got that figured out?
Pump or what that's
Yeah.
out?
Pump's bad. I'll get you a pump coming, Mr. Earl.
Carry those things on you?
No, not that.
Well, that's good. A good boat mechanic would carry that sort of stuff.
Yeah, you would think so.
May not even be
I'm not a good one.
What, would it have just a little style?
Yeah.
Put a Bill a new lower unit on there the other day. He already run over some. Tore his propeller up. 12 pounds more than they did last year.